Nakabili ng... Ay,
Wait, okay na po.
nakabili.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, allow me to greet you all a happy Father's Day. As our gift to Daddy, we brought him to unlimited hot pot and barbecue. They have unlimited seafood, unlimited meat and dumplings, unlimited vegetables and noodles, unlimited condiments, kimchi and others, unlimited fruits for dessert. Of course, they have unlimited drinks.
Today, happy Father's Day.
Let's start cooking, guys. They also have cooked food like unlimited fried rice, fried shrimp, and others. Let's eat, guys. As you can see, Daddy is enjoying yummy food. I also enjoyed cookies. Gusto din po namin ni Mami ng parang siomai. Sticky rice inside po. We also cook a lot. Also sweet yung po watermelon. Guys, we're done eating. We need to pay na po. 99 reals po per head. But my sister has to pay only half. And of course, I'm free. Dito po ito sa harap ng Paki Hospital beside Costa Coffee Shop. After we ate, Mommy and Daddy needed to walk. Sobrang busog po talaga, especially si Daddy po. Yay, we're now here in coffee shop. Magkita po kami ni Tita Helen.
Nakabili ng... Ay,
Wait, okay na po.
nakabili ng...
Ayan na, sama kayo sa vlog ni Baby. Baby! Hi!
Hindi na kami mag-ayos-ayos kasi...
Baby!
We also went to Danube. Shoutout po kay Tita Ella. Because of her, we discovered unlimited hot pot and barbecue. Shoutout po din kay Tita, sa friend po ni Tita Helen. God bless po. Tita Helen, thank you po sa Yummy Vico. We love you po, Daddy. You're the best dad ever. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you all. Stay safe and God bless. Oops, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye.